There it is right there. So check this out. Went to Mexico, did the Baja 500 communications up on top of the hill. Got to talk with a weatherman. That's so cool. Anyway, I got to get back on this project. I missed a whole week of progress, and dude, it's killing me. You seen this? Rain. I'm not into it at all. Kind of, it's all wet. Gross. It makes working in the dirt like mud, man. I'm being held hostage. It was a push, man. I had to get all of this stuff inside. Woo! Lightning quick. Yeah, these storms in Colorado, they kind of go on the bright side of things. That's the hole we're gonna end up getting, but we gotta make it through that first. So I'm gonna go check the charts and see where we're at, and I'll snapshot that, throw that in the video. I put the stubby tailgate back on. I think that's the way to do that. I don't think that that big fat tailgate section, it's just not, I'm not feeling it, man. It's just too big. Plus it's got that dent. So we'll just do like a typical wide body rear panel. We'll just have to fake it in somehow or another. But anyway, got the back section on there. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. Water droplets everywhere. It's wet everywhere. Anyway, that's where the roll cage is going to dive through. Let's hook to our 2-inch tube under there. And it goes all the way across to that side. This is what I've been reduced to today. Dude, I was all spread out, had my comp book going. And we have like tornadic behavior. Yo, what up? The rain kind of, yeah, this stuff up here, this cloudy stuff. See that stuff up there? All that crap, yeah. Didn't do us any good today. Kind of ran us out. We ended up getting mucked on. Look at that. Dude, I was laying in that. Anyway, yep, went back to the short tailgate. Typical Ford. Okay, those go down to all that structure that we had tied in before. And so that's holding the body right where it needs to be. Take a peek, take a peek, take a peek. Bam! We got it within like, I think it's 7 inches. Anyway. Underneath here. That's where it's tied in there. Tried to get some sweeties. You know, woo, nice. Anyway, that's all tied in. That's got a little bit of a lean back to it. That'll be good. And it's all rocker height. So next week, we can get in here, get the double shear finalized on these tabs and the upper links, both inside and outside. Plate the bottom side of the frame rails that we built. Got to do that yet. And then start doing roll cage. Yeah, roll cage. Yeah, we're going to come right out of this guy. That's going to help us mount some shocks and stuff. But yeah, we got to get the suspension dialed. There we go with the fuel cell in there. That'll look pretty nice when it's all said and done. Nice and tight. Yep, came out real close, right to the edge there. Pretty much flush. It's a little bit high there, not too bad. Could probably access that hardware if you needed to. That wouldn't be fun. Hey, maybe that would be better. Ooh, look at that. So anyway, we got some room to play, and I gotta go. All right, we out. The clouds are looking ominous. Yeah, that's pretty spooky. And I got places to be. Plus, I got something cool to drive. Bronco Diamante. All right, I'm out. See ya.